In front of me is HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to activate and deactivate battery percentage and status bar on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then go to the battery, and now scroll a bit lower. Right here you'll be able to check battery percentage. Just click on it, and now you can pick either do not show. So now it is hidden, you have just the pure battery icon. You can pick next to the battery icon, so it is located right here, or you can pick inside the battery icon. So here you've got some small numbers inside the battery icon. I'm a huge fan of next to the battery icon because it's the visible one, and I will leave it this way, but obviously you can personalize it as only you want to. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.